Nishi Ganatra, and being an aspiring nutritionist, I would always recommend you to be connected with nature. So here I am connecting with nature at Lonavala. Welcome to my vlog. So at Lonavala, I am staying at Duke's Retreat. It's an amazing place, must say. The sun has already risen. You can see the sunlight coming on my face. It is so beautiful. And it's around 7:25 right now, and the temperature is 18. It is very pleasant temperature. It's winter time, so it's the best time to come to a hill station. Apart from the hotel, I am also going to go to trek on Duke's Nose over here. I read it somewhere that it is named Duke's Nose because during the Britishers' rule over here, the person who actually took care of this area, his name was Duke, and his nose seemed to be familiar or similar to the mountain, so they named it Duke's Nose. You can see the sun has already risen. I've taken a complete video of the sun rising, so I'll be adding it here. You'll love it. Apart from that, I'll be showing you around the hotel, and it is amazing and beautiful. So first things first, I'm going to have my breakfast. See you! So I have come for breakfast, and I'm going to show you the dining area and what I'm going to eat. So here we go. So we are at the entrance of Duke's Retreat. So this is where we entered from. Then now we are going to go, and I'm going to show you where the dining area is. So we entered from there, and then there are 3 routes. So one is here. From here, if we go, there's dining area, and then if we go uphill from here, then it leads to all the rooms. And if this is, and then if we go from here, there are some outdoor activities like badminton and cricket. So first we'll go ahead and see the dining area.
Come BMW. Come BMW.
Now we are going to go. Now I'm going to show you the extracurricular activities or maybe the recreation activities that we could do here. Currently the swimming pool is shut because I told you that it's under renovation. There are a lot of beautiful plants here, a lot of beautiful trees, old trees, because it's in the midst of the forest. So it's pretty beautiful. Now we are heading to Daksh, where do you want to go next? The sports. Okay, so we are going to the cricket ground. It's like a box cricket net and a badminton court. So we are not going to go by this route because this will lead to the rooms. We are going to the badminton court and the cricket ground. Daksh, give us away. Lead the way, Daksh. Yay! Hey, slowly. So this is a buggy and this helps us to transport from uphill to downhill because there's a steep hill which leads to the room. So you can either choose to walk up or maybe use the buggy. So this is the badminton court here. And a little bit of garden around so that people can enjoy running around or maybe play. Amazing views and landscape here. Now we are going to the box cricket net. It's 1:25, so it is pretty sunny. In the morning it was 16 degrees Celsius. Even after the sun rose it was 18 degrees Celsius. But as soon as it hit 9 o'clock, it became really... Oh, look at the ducks. I wasn't expecting this, but they are pretty much here. Ducks, please don't go near them. There's a duck pond, so I think they've come out today. This is the cricket area, cricket net, and that's that ball shooting machine which helps people to play cricket even if they are alone. Okay. Now we are heading to our room. Bye ducks. Don't trouble us. I haven't done anything. They were about to attack him. This person.
I'm not a person. I'm a human. I'm not.
So you are a person, na?
Yeah.
Then what?
That's what those idiot ducks.
Hey.
Bear.
They were just protecting themselves, nothing else.
So we are going back to our room.
Even if you just go around the property, your walking will be done for the day. Plus, there's an inclination uphill, so it will be like proper workout. It's like a warm up for me.
There are monkeys in this area.
Yeah, there are monkeys also.
People are sitting on a gate.
Not exactly.
Uncle!
So now, since I have to take a video, so we'll quickly go through the buggy and go to our room uphill. My brother has already reached the buggy. Go sit. He's sat in the front
Hey!
and I am sitting at the back. Whee! So first uncle is going to turn the buggy and we are going back to the dining area wala spot. Then from here he's going to circle it and take some people along with us. So we are here and yeah, the receptionist. Thank you, uncle.
Thank you, uncle.
Now we are heading
To the
towards.
park.
So as soon as we enter, before the reception, there's kids play area.
So let's play some
swings,
games.
And
Hey!
slide.
Record here, record here. Hello.
Okay, there's a demand of recording, so I'm
I'm my
recording.
brother.
Yes, he's my brother, the naughtiest of all.
And look, my duplicate is staying on my bed.
There's this Lord Buddha statue over here and a huge tree on top. And this is another badminton court near the rooms. This is the reception area inside. We'll go inside and check. As you can see, makeover in progress. That's the case with me too. Even I'm under progress. So this is the reception area. Now we are going to head to our room.
Yeah. Yes.
But before that,
My duplicate.
I would also like to show you the spa area. They have fish spa too. Let's follow the route. These are temporary arrangements for spa and because maybe the original spa is under renovation, so they have modified a room into a spa room. So this is the spa area, and so this is the spa area, and that is basically the spa room, but there's someone inside, so we cannot film it inside. The waiting area is also pretty peaceful and beautiful. Now we are heading to our room finally. So let's go. Daksh, can you please come with me? Time to trouble my brother. Who's up for us? I am here. Daksh! I'm going to eat you up! Yeah. Don't run! Okay, so wait. Enough. So before our room, there's this beautiful balcony, and this is where the video had started actually. This place has a complete view.
And you can see Bangladesh.
The road down is a highway.
Two highways.
Highway.
Have a nice day.
This is the view. Now we are finally heading to our room, and this place has a different kind of mentioning things. So we were at the reception, which is at the top. Then we are going down, and that would be the third floor. This is reception level, but we are heading down. Okay, we are going down. See, and Daksh, no, we are not going down. And as we go down, we reached on level 3. Alright. There's a common washroom on every floor for men and women. So let's go. And here we are. We have reached our room. So we finally reached our room.
But we don't have the keys.
We don't have the keys?
Yes.
You didn't bring the keys.
So guys,
We are going to go and get the keys. Let's go.
Okay. Be careful.
Since we forgot to take the key card, we are going back up because that's where my parents are and they have the key card. Do you know the number of steps that I have already walked today? 10,000. And it's just 1:39. Only half of the day is gone. I can do it. Let's go. So, as soon as you enter the room, there is luggage area where you keep the luggage. Then there's washroom. Pretty beautiful and clean. Then there's TV dresser and the bed, a sofa, a study table, and an amazing view. You can see the mountains from here.